Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and we'll see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation, and if this reading doesn't resonate with you, you can check your moon sign and your ascendant. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Scorpios. So let's see what's on your side, Scorpios. What are your energies? So we have the Five of Cups on your side. Let's see what are the energies of the person you're dealing with. The Empress, the most likely outcome is the Eight of Swords. So on your side we have the Five of Cups. So you are really upset over something here, Scorpios. As far as your person is concerned, this person is wanting a new beginning which has a promise of abundance and happiness. They are wanting that, and maybe they are even doing something about that. As far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the Eight of Swords. So there is definitely something over here which I think is making you unhappy. Whosoever this Five of Cups is, in this reading it's you, maybe they are them, but there is something here which is it's like there is some sort of a resistance to leave something behind. There's a reluctancy in letting go of something. Okay, you feel imprisoned, you feel caged over here. It's very tough for somebody here to let go of certain things, and because of that this person is really unhappy. And I think this is the person who is unhappy, whosoever it is in this Eight of Swords energy, not able to leave things behind, not able to let go of certain things. Okay, so let's clarify this Five of Cups. Let's clarify the Five of Cups on your side. So for the Five of Cups, we have the Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles is the Three of Cups and the World. Okay, let's clarify the Empress here on your person's side. So for the Empress, we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. Okay, let's clarify this Eight of Swords. For the Eight of Swords, again we have the Eight of Swords, the Fool, and the King of Pentacles. So Scorpios, what I feel here is that with the Six of Pentacles, for the Five of Cups, we have the Six of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the World. So I think you want to balance something, you want to correct something, you want to reconcile with something, you want your old times back, you want the happy times back, you want those friendships and those relationships back. You want to sort them out, and you want to put an end to whatever it was which was upsetting you, or whatever it was which has caused the disruption in this, whatever this relationship is. Okay, and you want to put an end to it, you want to sort things out and have a new beginning here. That's what I feel. As far as your person is concerned, for the Empress, we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. So this person is totally in sort of singlehood. They just want to focus on themselves. This person is really not keen on any relationship now. They just want to focus on themselves, as simple as that. Their own passions, their own happiness, their own stability, their own things. As far as the most likely outcome is concerned, for the Eight of Swords, again we have the Eight of Swords, the Fool, and the King of Pentacles. So definitely there is a lot of stuff here which needs to be healed. Somebody wants to liberate themselves from this Eight of Swords energy. They are having a hard time to liberate themselves from this these opinions, from these presumptions, perceptions, whatever they have, whatever the past experiences are which are holding them back. This person wants to liberate themselves, and maybe they will be able to in due course of time, because we do have the Fool and we do have the King of Pentacles. So definitely this person is engaged here in a certain situation, and they do want to liberate themselves. So maybe somebody here is wanting a new beginning towards stability, and since this person is focusing on themselves. So maybe this person is actually freeing themselves from whatever is engaging them, if it is your relationship which is doing that to them. If it is the relationship which is causing this effect on this person is totally liberating themselves from this and moving towards stability. Even if you are trying to correct it, I really don't think as for now this person is interested in that. Number 41 may be of some significance for you. Do something for someone. Give your attention to another. I think you really need to divert your mind and be open to other things in your life which make you happy, Scorpios. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.